Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable email notifications for group board invites on Pinterest using the latest update. If you're part of group boards and want to stay in the loop without constantly checking the app, this quick guide will help you get those notifications straight to your inbox. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where you can manage your settings and preferences. Next, look for the notification option and tap on it. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Pinterest, so it's the place to customize how you get notified about different activities. Under the social category, you'll find group board invites. Tap on this option to access the specific settings for group board notifications. This is where you can decide how you want to be alerted when someone invites you to join a group board. To make sure you receive email notifications, simply toggle on the email option. This will activate email alerts for any new group board invitations, ensuring you never miss out on collaborating with others on Pinterest. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll stay updated on all your group board invites directly through your email. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep your Pinterest activity organized and avoid missing important invites while you're busy with other things. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more connected Pinterest experience with your group boards.